Did you know that SEO plugins can boost your organic traffic by up to 55% when used correctly? So, choosing the right SEO plugin could be a game changer for your blog or website. When it comes to SEO plugins for WordPress, two names stand out from the crowd. First one is Yoast SEO, and second one is Rank Math. Well, these two plugins have been dominating the market for years, and their popularity among WordPress users is undeniable. Yoast plugin, developed by one of the Team Yoast founder member, Yoast developed Yoast SEO in 2010, while Rank Math, developed by Banu Aluwalia, Nimit Kashyap, and Suraj Vebhute, and brought to us by My Theme Shop, launched in 2018. Both plugins have undergone significant updates over the years, shaping their development and features to cater to the ever-changing SEO landscape. Yoast and Rank Math are both powerhouses when it comes to keyword optimization, offering features like keyword research, content analysis, and Google Search Console integration. They both also provide readability analysis, helping you improve the overall user experience of your website. Furthermore, both plugins boast impressive integration capabilities, allowing you to seamlessly connect with other popular WordPress tools and services. In addition to these core features, Yoast offers a built-in XML sitemap generator, while Rank Math provides an advanced 404 monitor. Yoast's Content Insights tool helps you identify areas for improvement, whereas Rank Math's module-based approach allows you to customize your SEO experience. Both plugins also offer robust technical SEO features, including title and meta description optimization, as well as internal linking suggestions. When you dive deeper into each plugin, you'll notice that Yoast has a more intuitive user interface, making it easier for new users to get started. However, Rank Math's interface is highly customizable, allowing advanced users to fine-tune their SEO strategy. Yoast's customer support is generally considered more responsive, although Rank Math's community-driven approach often leads to innovative feature requests. In terms of user experience, Yoast tends to be more geared towards bloggers and content creators, while Rank Math's advanced features make it a favorite among SEO professionals. When it comes to pricing, Yoast offers a premium version starting at around $89 per year, whereas Rank Math's Pro version starts at approximately $59 per year. In my personal experience using both plugins, I've seen significant improvements in SEO metrics, including increased organic traffic and better search engine rankings. While both plugins have their strengths, I found that Rank Math's advanced features and customization options make it better suited to my specific needs. So, which plugin reigns supreme? In my opinion, Rank Math's advanced features and competitive pricing make it the better choice for serious SEO enthusiasts. However, Yoast remains an excellent option for bloggers and content creators who prioritize ease of use and a more intuitive interface. Yoast is very good for beginners or new blog. Don't forget to share your experiences with Yoast and Rank Math in the comments below. Have you used either plugin to improve your website's SEO? Let us know. And if you're looking for more SEO strategies and tips, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be reviewing different SEO techniques to boost your online presence.